Hi guys, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook Puto Maya in a rice cooker. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of my Puto Maya: glutinous rice or sticky rice, coconut milk, salt, sugar, and ginger. Now let's prepare the rice. Puto Maya is a steamed rice, but with this new technology, we can cook it easily in a rice cooker. Now let's start cooking. First step is place the rice in a rice cooker. Next is the coconut milk. Sugar. Salt, and ginger. Mix it up until the salt and sugar dissolve. Cover and place in a rice cooker. And switch the rice cooker on. After 30 minutes, let's take a look and check the rice. Give it a stir. Just sticking it down the bottom, so you can give it a good stir, guys. Cover and put the rice back again. After 5 minutes, it is now ready. Serve with ripe mango and sikwate, which is a Filipino hot chocolate. Now let's try it. So delicious, and we have it for breakfast or afternoon snack. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.